Hello friend, I got some truth for you. May help you break through. It's called the happiest bird. The crow feel low cause he's so black, looking for happiest bird in the world. He think the swan cause she's so beautiful. He gonna find out who's the happiest bird. Hi swan, are you the happiest bird? She said no, no, no. Some people think though, you should go ask Parrot. He more beautiful, so you're gonna find out who's the happiest bird. Hi Parrot, are you the happiest bird? He said no, no, no. Peacock more colorful. You should go ask him. He at the zoo. You will know who's the happiest bird. Hi Peacock, are you the happiest bird? She said no, no, no. I'm prisoner and feel blue. Only one bird is black like you. It's cruel. Freedom like you. Fly like you. The happiest bird. Act like you. The happiest bird. Freedom like you. The happiest bird. Be like you, the happiest bird. Hi friend, are you the happiest bird? No, 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 no compare the other. Be satisfied and be grateful, so you are the happiest bird. Fly like you, the happiest bird. Act like you, the happiest bird. Freedom like you, the happiest bird. Be like you, the happiest bird. Be like you, the happiest bird. Be like you, the happiest bird.เพลงนี้ขอมอบให้กับผู้เป็นแรงบันดาลใจในการเขียนเพลงHappiest Bird นะครับคุณชอนบุรณะหิรันสวัสดีครับ